Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving a verification code from Walmart, first make sure your phone has a strong signal and can receive text messages. Then go ahead and check that you've registered the phone number correct and active. After that, wait a few minutes or two before requesting another code, as sending multiple code requests too quickly can cause delays. Then ensure that your phone is not in airplane mode and then text and messages are not blocked or filtered. Then swipe off from the bottom of your screen, swipe the Walmart app completely away, wait for a few while, reopen it and request the message again. If the code still does not arrive, log in using a web browser to confirm your contact details or contact Walmart customer support for assistance, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick